Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I know it's been a while, but we're here with a classic unboxing, this time of the Samsung Galaxy S10. This is the Prism Black model launching in the UK today. So there's three other colours. There's the Prism Black obviously, the Prism White and the Prism Green. Other colours available elsewhere. So we'll lift off the lid, and underneath here you have the instruction booklet with warranty info, and on the back the SIM removal tool. But we'll put that back in there and put it off to the side. Then we have the phone itself, black screen on the front. Turn it over, you can see the black there, and we'll power this up whilst we take a look at the rest of the stuff in the box. So as you can see, I have a UK wall adapter. All accessories with the black model are black, and I believe with something like the Prism White model you get white accessories. Not sure about the Prism Green, don't think you'll get green accessories. Then you have the USB Type-C to female USB, so you can transfer your data from, say, an iPhone. Then you have the USB-A to USB Type-C cable for charging. And then you have the AKG tuned headphones, which still utilise the 3.5mm headphone jack. So go ahead and put that all back in the box, and then take a look at the phone itself. So you can see it's powered up there, and that's a good representation there. As you can see the hole punch in the top right there. So this just has the single hole punch as opposed to the dual one on the S10 Plus. So go ahead and peel off the plastic. Satisfying. And then on the front, it actually, I believe, has a screen protector installed beforehand. And then no plastic. Oh no, there is plastic along the sides. So you have to make sure to get all that off, but we'll do that off camera. But you can see, pretty difficult to get off, so make sure you do get that off beforehand. So you can see, we'll go ahead and set this up and come back once it's done. Okay, so I just finished setting up the Samsung Galaxy S10. If you guys want to see that video, I'll leave a link in the top right. But as you can see, if we switch it on, it comes up, and you can see the fingerprint symbol down there in the bottom. So I can go ahead and rest my fingerprint on the sensor there, and it'll go ahead and log in. As you can see there, it doesn't have to be on, it can read your fingerprint with the screen off. And once you're in, this is the new One UI. You can see quite big user interface, so I might go ahead and change that in the future. And just taking a quick look around the phone, you can see on the back we have the three cameras. So we have the ultra wide, the standard, and the telephoto, along with the flash, and I believe there's still a heart rate sensor there. And then all black, just Samsung here. Pretty fingerprinty so far. You can see some regulatory information, but pretty well hidden down there at the bottom. Power button on the side. On this side you have the Bixby button, which can now be remapped, along with the volume rocker there. Top, SIM card, and then a microphone. On the bottom, headphone jack, USB Type-C, the microphone and speaker. So we'll go ahead and log in and test the fingerprint scanner just by resting our finger on there. And you can see, pretty quick, very nice. You don't have to wake up the screen or get a blaring light from the optical sensors, which would have to shine up light. So better in darkness, won't be blinded by that. So that was the unboxing of the Galaxy S10. Make sure you subscribe over there on the right so you don't miss any upcoming videos on it. And if you have any questions, do post a comment down below. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next video.